Hi guys, so welcome. In this video we'll be talking about function. So what is a function exactly? A function is a piece of code that helps you to simplify your code, makes it easier, and definitely functions helps to avoid repetition. So let's create one. So you start with the header, include standard input, and let's do this. So we create our entry point function, which is main. So, before we would do something like this, let's assume we want to do this. We want to print a lot of printfs. So we would have something like this. I would say, hello X, you are welcome. Then maybe we do another one, something like, hello X, you are years old. So basically, a function can help us take care of this. So maybe we could call this introduction. So when you have a piece of code that does a repeated task, you can actually put it inside of a function. So imagine we want to do this countless times. Okay, so I'm just going to copy and paste this. You can see how our main function looks like now. It's ugly, and remember we said the main function is where every piece of code runs when you run the C program code. So it's not good that it's looking so clunky. If we run this, it's going to work. All right, you can see it's working, but then we don't want it to function like this. So what do? We can put all this piece of code inside of a function. All right, so I just want to put a new line character right here in front of everything. Okay, so like you see, it works. All right, it works, but then let's put this all inside of a function. So how do you create a function? The very first thing first is you define the function. So we'll say something like void, and the name of the function, let's say greeting, and that's it. So we have all our code inside of the function now. Then the next thing is we can now call the function here. And what is the function we are calling? Greeting. So all you do is just say greeting, open and close brackets, and that is all. And now that we've saved it, so take note, this is how you call the function, this is how you define the function, and this is how you invoke the function. So if we run this code, and you see that our code still works the way it's supposed to work. So guys, that is it simply on how to create a function, or how to define a function, and how to invoke the function. I'll see you in the next video.